Oi, senor. Okay.
2-1-EV2-1 playing with my dog Dotty again.
Slightly just
Formed face and body.
it's just like 60 pounds.
She broke a promise when she was born. She promised her mom that she would lose weight when she got her mom's age.
She got a moco right now. It's just dripping down. Like, you see that? You see that?
Here, I'll get her to the camera.
Okay, it's a little deformed. This might be just.
You see that little moco on her face?
You're like moco. Look at, or just slightly deformed. Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna
play. Just like running down.
She's gonna play with us right now.
Okay, what is playing?
The ball.
Okay, what? Throw it at Dotty?
No.
Does she have a phobia against? Okay, let's go to the camera. Okay. This is a ball. Okay. Sight is a slight intermission.
Okay, we're back.
Here's a strange dog. You want to fall down? Or yeah. Okay. That was a little pathetic.
Hi, Daddy.
Thought your dog didn't like that stuff. Man, she had like only 5 teeth. What? Show the viewers what it is.
Okay, I'll go get my camera. You keep it like that.
Okay.
Put it in between them. Here, what about you hold the camera?
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Okay. Ready? Okay. That thing's in the way. Let me get it. Okay, ready? Oh, she wants to play now.
Oh, now she run. She not fat chubby thingy. Ooh, this is 3 minutes long. Oh. Oh, it's 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Oh, 6, 7, 8. Why isn't it moving? Oh no, no, bad doggy. Oh, sorry. My finger was in the way. Oh no, bad doggy. Okay. Okay, this camera is like. You want that frisbee? Oh, what the?
Watch this.
Just calm down. Oh no, it's gonna be 4 minutes, 17 seconds.
Up in the air.
Oh, sorry.
You can't see. Watch, you have to try this.
I'll look at.
Ready, Daddy?
No. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh no. Just calm down, Dotty. What is this? What? Ooh.
Sound effects.
These sound effects are real.
Dotty. Dotty. Yeah.
Yeah. You want this? You want this? You like shoes? I don't know. Wait.
Throw the shoe.
Oh no, 7 minutes. You like this monkey? You like doors and this little Saka monkey? Oh no. You can put that in your mouth with your all dry saliva. You couldn't like.
That was Dotty. Us playing with Dotty. This is.
Don't you say please subscribe at the end?
Yeah, I guess. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to be my Xbox Live friend, I am Zombrex Man. All capitals, 1 space in between Zombrex and Man. So, what's yours, Kevin? If you want to share it.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.